Hey everyone, today I'm talking about the concept of wormhole. Let's start it. And this thing is from my notes, my handwritten notes. I learned lots of things from this concept from many books and many MIT authors. So hopefully you enjoy this lecture, or as for our knowledge, you also watch this. In ancient time, people to behold the sky, then he see the stars and says that was a god home. The same thing run for a long periods of time. Then our understanding about the science and technology is increasing, still increasing day by day. After all, we all realize the particle in a small size object that see in the sky that was a planet or as well as asteroids. After all, we thinking about is there another life compared to Earth? This curiosity helps to give the birth of Hubble telescope, who will find lots of planet where life is exists. But there is a big problem is that the displacement of the another planet is too far. And if we decided to go on that planet, so we have to make some best rocket who travel with the speed of light, but it is not possible. So um, massive size rocket can achieve the velocity of light. I can't think is it possible. What we do, there is a big question, and one thing is that in general theory of relativity, Einstein also shows that if an object contains some mass, then he never achieved the velocity of light. What we do, velocity of light, and for this high energy is required. In simple language, this is impossible to create that type of rocket who travel with the speed of light. So what we understand, we never reach that planet. Wait. Some another solution discovered by the scientists. So some mathematical equation are also came who gave two possibilities where without theory of relativity we reach on that planet without achieving the velocity of light. Oh, it's so amazing. The two possibilities are, first one is a wormhole and second one is wave drive. So let's talk about the wormhole. In the starting of the 19th century, no one opposed the rule of Newton gravity. By Newton rules, he say the object in the universe applying a force in between called gravity or as well as gravitational force. Force represent, you very familiar with this equation, F equal to zm1 into m2 by r square. He said that the massive object had a strong gravitational force of attraction, and that why we stay at the surface of earth, not fly above the surface of earth. But I think sometime we have to experience these things. It's a create a lot of fun. So come back to my topic. So Newton gravitation, there was a huge shortage in his explanation. Is that not? He explained why gravitation force is attracted is attract some another body. How gravitational force is attract some another body? What is the difference between them? So a space create a traction force between the object. In another language, how gravitational force work? This question solved by many my most favorite scientist. He's named Einstein. He told us general theory of relativity. He told us in general theory of relativity that gravitational force work in space time due to deformity. So there is a question, what is space and time? So this time you understood like a bed cover where space and time are stick together. Einstein says every object in the universe deform his size in a space time. If objects are massive, then he deform space time more. That why a small object attracted towards massive or larger object, or and this is the things the name, that is gravity or gravitational force. The concept of wormholes comes due to the deformity happen in space-time. The guy named as Nathan Rawson, Nathan Rawson, who knew is that the deformation of a space-time in many times ways shortcut route who named wormhole, who joined to a spaces like a anywhere door in Doraemon you will see in your child life. By Einstein, mathematical model wormhole is present in the universe, but still today we can't find it. And theoretical physicist John Wheeler shows in his quantum form hypothesis, like a virtual particle wormhole are also made or disappear. And if you want to know what is a virtual particle, it's like a hypothesis thing. The object creating by itself or deforming or disappear, like same thing is happen with them. So this is my concept, and there is some mathematical equation I will definitely share with you. So wait for that, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Thank you.